chilly out. We are on our way to Cedar Key, Florida. Now this is on the far west Gulf side of Florida, not quite to the Panhandle. And we stopped about 10 miles outside of town is a campground, Shell Mound campground. It's a pretty busy little campground.
Nothing fancy, but it's pretty much the only game in town.
Yeah.
I think there's a couple small RV type places closer to town, but this is fine for us.
Yeah, so we stopped and snagged a spot, and now we are going to
We'll get breakfast.
go get breakfast in town. There are some hiking trails and stuff out here that actually will have, we'll tell you about them later because we're gonna hit those, but you actually get to see the Shell Mound that this is named after. So.
Which is an archaeological site. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
We were here 2 years ago, was it? 2 or 3 years ago?
Yeah.
Just for a day, I think. And
we looked at property here actually because we love the area. It's so quaint, and there's only one way in and one way out, so there's not a lot of tourist traffic, you know.
it's what they call real Florida.
I would say it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, let's go check town out. Back from Cedar Key, back to the campground, and from camp we're going to just walk down and hit this little hiking trail and show you around the actual Shell Mound.
hey, Fista, you want to go chew on a bone? You want to chew on a bone? I don't have it with me. I don't have it with me.
This go get it.
Let's go get the boat.
Good girl. That was fun. That's an interesting area. I remember we did that before last time we were here, but
Yeah, there's not a lot to see, but it's very cool to be there and think about, 400 AD that the Native Americans were,
yeah,
you know,
living there, and
living and celebrating, and
yeah,
kind of crazy.
yeah. And then at the end there, you saw that fishing dock they have down there.
If it wasn't so windy, I would give it a shot, but
Yeah.
a little windy.
So I think we're just gonna stay one night here, maybe one more night. Not quite sure yet. We'll decide tomorrow. But we had a little fun this morning. I'll leave you with that on our way out. See you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on.
I traded my roller skates in for rollerblades. Okay, here I go. I'm already.
Maybe I should take the camera.
Oh yeah, probably.
You're gonna need to do this kind of thing.
No, I'm just gonna get on and go. I'm gonna be professional. You ready?
Sure.
Whoa. This is a lot different.
Wow. I'm gonna get going here. This is gonna be funny. How does it feel?
It's definitely smoother than the roller skates.
It just looks and sounds super smooth.
Yeah. Feels good.
Then your right foot has the brake on the rear.
Oh boy, I'm not that advanced.
Well, you might want to practice that before you need to.
I better go real slow then. Like I don't wanna. On my right foot?
Yeah.
On my right foot?
Yeah.
What am I? It's on the back.
Yeah. Okay, try to stop right here.
I can't. How does that even work? I feel like you have to really like press it hard.
I don't know.
Scared.
You're like a baby giraffe.
That's what I do. I hope I never need brakes because it's just not working.
Well, you're gonna need brakes, honey.
I will. Okay, I'm gonna brake. Woo! Going too fast. Gotta brake. It's not gonna happen. I can do it in an emergency. Maybe. Let's just go.
You just have to keep practicing.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye, she says. You okay?
That was only a matter of time.
She looks good though. Were you trying to brake when that happened?
No.
You just wrecked.
I just wrecked. Don't be no braking.
Boy, you're gonna go fast when they turn around in this wind.
I don't want to go fast.
You're gonna go.
I want to go fast, but on my own power.
You're doing good in the headwind. Don't you grab me.
Be nice if you can pull me down.
Good job, baby. That was fun.
So fun. Exhilarating. Whew. Got a lot to learn. But fun.